Hello friends, let us discuss important keyboard shortcuts for the browser. So first one is open a new tab. So if you want to open a new tab, use Ctrl plus T. Here you can see Ctrl T के साथ you can open new tab. If you want to close current tab, use Ctrl plus W. Now see when I press Ctrl plus W, new tab is closed. Open previously closed tab. Suppose you have closed a tab and now you want to open it. You have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. So Ctrl Shift T. You can open the previously closed tab. If you want to switch between open tabs, you have to use Ctrl plus Tab. So see Control tab, you can switch between the tabs. If you want to go to the first tab, use Ctrl plus 1. Control plus 1. Here you can see I can go to the first tab. If I want to go to the last tab, then use Control plus 9. Control plus 9. Last tab. Control plus 1 first tab, Control plus 9 last tab. If you want to open a new browser window, press Control plus N. Control plus N. New window is opened. If you want to close the current browser window, here if you want to close the browser window, not tab, then use Alt plus F4. Alt plus F4. If you want to open the home page, then you have to press Alt plus Home. If you want to go to the full screen, press F11. F11 full screen will be opened. And if you want to again exit, press F11 again. Similarly, if you want to go back, then press backspace. For example, I have opened google.com and then I have searched for cricket. Now I want to go back, then you press here. Suppose I have clicked on this link. Now I want to go back, then press Alt or arrow key. So Alt plus left arrow is used to go back. If you want to go forward, then Alt plus right arrow. Alt plus right arrow again, you can go forward. If you want to reload, press F5. If you want to stop the loading, then press escape. If you want to open browser history, then press Ctrl plus H. Browser history, Ctrl plus H. So these are the shortcuts for browsers. Thanks for watching. Thank you.